sung by Mrs. Mary Warren English, and she was born on Madeline Island, but then later went to White Earth. And this song, you can see there's some old photos out there in the Minnesota Historical Society, and this book that Densmore's recordings are in is considered public domain. You can look it up on the internet. You can find a copy in the archive.org or archive.net. And so her photo is there. We were able to then find some photos of these people to tell their stories, tell a little bit of their stories, because they're, what they've left behind, you know, they did so with the best of intentions for us to pick up later. And I'm very grateful for that. So this song is a love song, and it says, "My love has departed." So we'll do our best here to bring it back to life.